Hello friends, welcome again, and this is my new project students evaluation system, and I have developed this project in PHP and MySQL. The version for the PHP I'm using is a PHP version 7 and MySQL version is 5.6. This is a web application, so for front-end development I have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used, like for form validation, integration of the date calendars, and for many more things I have used the jQuery plugins, right? So these all technology stacks I have used for developing this project. Also, I'm using Jam server for running this project, but if you have WAM or other PHP based server, PHP Apache and MySQL based server, you can easily configure this project on those server. This is a visual application and it's a major project which has two user based system, right? The first one is a student and second one is a teacher. Student can perform certain operations and teacher can perform certain operations. The internal functionalities are totally linked with the permission level, right? If a student will log in, then internal menu and internal functionality will be rendered according to the student credentials. And if teacher log in, then internal menu will be rendered according to the teacher permissions, right? So these are the basic functionalities I have developed inside this project. So let's start with the project functionalities that what we have implemented inside this projects, right? So this is the homepage of the project. As I told you earlier, this is a PHP and MySQL web-based major project, right? So this is the homepage of the project. This is totally static page. There is nothing dynamic on it. This is about project. This is also a static page. This is a contact us, and this is a map, and this map is a real-time map, right? Means it's a Google map, right? So this is the app. This is a login. There are two types of login. I already explained you, the teacher login and the student login, right? If you click on the teacher login, then teacher login pop-up will display. If you click on student login, then it will be displayed. This There are two types of sign up, right? Means he teacher and student can sign up and create their accounts, right? Once he click on the I am a teacher, then the teacher form will be open, and if you click on the student, then student form will be open. These are the course, and which course the student choose, then internal subjects and examination will be displayed only for those courses, right? So now I am going to log in as a teacher first. So teacher credential is teacher and the password is test. Once you click on the login to your account, then you will be able to see all of this operations, right? Teacher can perform these operations. Teacher can add the class. So from here you can add the class, right? So these menus which is available on the dashboard will be displayed here also, right? So this is a add class, this is add exam. From here teacher can add the exam, right? This is a class drop down, and this drop down will contain all of the classes which you have added, right, earlier, right? So you can see these all are the classes, and this is a dynamic drop down. It's coming, the value of this drop down is coming from the database, right? This is a class report, right? All of the classes which you have added will be displayed here. You can edit and update the record, and you can even delete the record from system also. This is a exam report, right? All of the exam which you have added will be displayed here. Sorry. So you can see there are two exams we have added, one for the MTech and second one is for the BTech, right? If you want to edit it, just edit, and just if I want to select the course, then I have added two exam for the BTech, right? So this is the two quizzes, right? From here you can add the questions and view the questions which you have added. Once you click on the view, all of the questions which is available for that exam will be displayed here. If you click on that, then you can add the question in that quiz, in that exam, right? And once you click on the add, then all of the questions will be displayed here, right? So there are four questions. If you want to add more, then you can add here, right? If you want to edit it, you can click on the edit, and after that you can edit the questions, right? So this is the exam report. This is a student report, right? All of the students who has registered will be displayed here. You can see these are all the students who has registered will be displaying here, right? So this is the all of the functionality which teacher can perform. This is a my account, from where teacher can update his account, right? Okay, so this is a logout. Once you click on the logout, then teacher session will be destroyed, and you can log in with either student and teacher. So once you click on the logout, you have redirected to the login page. Now I am going to log in as a student, right? So the user ID is student and the password is test. Once you log in inside the system, you will be able to see my exams, right? Once you click on the my exams, then you will be able to see all of the exam which belongs to your course. So there is a restrictions, right? You can't attempt exams more than once, right? So you can see you have already attempted both of the exams, and this already taken score out of 5, already taken a score 2 or 5. Now what I am going to do, I am going to database and I am going to delete the exam taken by the student, so student can appear in that exam again, right? Now I am going to database for changing the value, right? So okay, so what I have deleted, right? And now if I click on the refresh, you can see the both start button is enabled because I have deleted the record manually, right, from the database. Once you click on the start exam, then you will get the questions and you can select the answers and click on the next, right? You can see all of the questions which will be rendered here, which you have added from that question sections for that exam. This is the last question, that's why you are seeing the submit exam. Once you click on the submit exam, you can see your score is 2 out of 5. Means you have attempted 5 questions and you got 2 numbers, right? And now you can't give that exam again. Now this is for, right? I'm going to attempt this question also, right? So at the last, on the last question, you will get the submit exam, right? Okay, submit exam. You can see both, in the both exam you have submitted and you have already got the score, right? So in the my account section, you can click on the my exams and all the exams which is enabled for you and you have not attempted will be displayed here, right? And this is a my logout section. Once you click on the logout, then your session will be destroyed, right? So these all functionalities I have developed inside this student evaluation system. Here teacher can log in, teacher can add the exam, teacher can add the questions, and teacher can associate that exam, means link that exam with the course, right? Student which belongs to that course will be able to log in and he will be able to see all of the exam which belongs to his course and he can attempt that exam, and he can only attempt one, right? So these all functionalities I have developed inside this project, and if you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comments. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.